Let me begin this speech by taking the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear fellow friends, Assalamu alaikum. Well, first I want to introduce myself. My name is Avisa. I'm a student of class 10th. Class 10th. Today as we celebrate Qaid Azam's week. Every nation has its own leaders and heroes. The bright star in the history of Pakistan is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. It was the will of Allah Almighty that physically weakling son of Poonja Jinnah would be one day the founder of Pakistan. हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदावर पैदा Muhammad Ali Jinnah was born on 25 December 1876. His father, Poonja Jinnah, was a famous merchant in Karachi. His mother was Mithibai. The mother tongue of Qaid Azam was Gujarati. Although it was his mother tongue, but he was not fluent in it. He was more proficient in English. Quaid-e-Azam was brought up with great affection and love. He got his early education from Karachi. After getting his early education, he went to abroad for higher studies. As a student, he worked very hard. His motto was work, work, and work. After attaining the degree of Bar Atla, he came back to Karachi. He began his practice as a lawyer in Bombay. It was his hard working that he was recognized as a prominent lawyer in short time. He always said, failure is a word unknown to me. He became a member of Indian National Congress. He was a great supporter of Indian National Congress. The attitude of Hindus discouraged him. He always gave favor to Hindu Muslims, but soon knowing the cunning of Hindus, he left the Congress and joined the Muslim League. Qaeda Azam message is for Muslims. I don't believe in taking right decisions. I take decisions and make it right. He proved it. He faced the opposition of Hindus and English very bravely. It is the famous saying of Qaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, expect the best, prepare for the worst. As a result of his endless efforts, Pakistan came into being on 14 August 1947. यूं दी हमें आज़ादी के दुनिया हुई हैरान यूं दी हमें आज़ादी के दुनिया हुई हैरान ए कायदे आज़म तेरा एहसान है एहसान He was appointed as the first Governor General of Pakistan. He worked day and night for building up the largest state of Muslims of India. He said, there is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan. He came true the dream of Lama Iqbal. His health broke down day by day. देखा था जो इकबाल ने एक ख्वाब सुहाना उस ख्वाब को एक रोज हकीकत है बनाना ये सोचा जो तूने तो हंसा था तुझ पर सारा जमाना मारा वो तुमने तो के दुश्मन भी गए मान ए कायदे आजम तेरा एहसान है एहसान He passed away on 11 September 1948. The whole nation mourned his death. His funeral was offered by Maulana Shabir Ahmad Usmani. His tomb has been built in Karachi. He was the most popular Muslim leader of his time. He will remain in our heart as the father of nation. His personality was not a source of inspiration for only the persons of Pakistan, but for the whole nation. He proved that one man with strong faith and determination can change the destiny of the nation. He proved his saying, think 100 times before you make a decision, but that once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man. In last, we should act upon his motto. His motto was faith, unity, and disciple. May his soul rest in peace. Amin. मिल्लत का पासपा है मोहम्मद अली जना मिल्लत का पासपा है मोहम्मद अली जना मिल्लत है जिसको जहाँ है मोहम्मद अली जना Thank you.